I'm going to make a wedge for this axe. Well, it's actually a mattock, and I'm going to make a wedge to go in here. I already used this my bandsaw to make a groove in here, and then I'm going to use this piece of steel to drive in there. Okay, what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to clean this off with sandpaper, and then I'm going to take plastic bags, I'm going to melt those over top of this, and then drop this handle back into the mattock. This is a mattock that I'm preparing. And I'm going to have to cut that off. And I measured this area, but I didn't account for a little bit of overlap right here. So on this end right here, where it's only a little bit short, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put the next sheet of visqueen up here and tape it, and then I can and overlap it a little bit, and then I can staple it. slippery, isn't it?
I exercised.
Try again.
Yeah, I exercised this morning. So.
Hey, wait, move it over here. Get more over here. This way. So hide your face. So we got something to staple to. Cut it a little more. Okay, now it's all the way to the corner. Leave some just staples to the wall. Hands getting tired?
Yeah.
Do what?
Want
me to do it?
No.